Hello world, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to my dear friends. Welcome to Robothought Zero to Hero series, Python machine learning on the edge. Alright guys, we have reached lesson number 27. We have come pretty far away but still lot more to go. Right, so in this lesson I am going to show you what a data frames means in pandas. Using Python Pandas libraries, I'll show you what data frames is used for in machine learning. When you get into machine learning, you will remember all these things, right? So basically the Pandas data frame is nothing but a two-dimensional structure. It's a data structure. It's a two-dimensional data structure. It's the same way like the two-dimensional array which I showed you in NumPy, alright? Or you can call it as a table with multiple rows and columns. In this case, it's going to be 2 rows and 2 columns, and I'm going to show you how to do that and grab the frames, the data frames from Pandas, alright? Let's do something practical, hands-on on the system, especially our Jetson Nano. Alright guys, I am logged into my Jetson Nano and let's import our pandas, right? Import pandas as PD, alright, like this, and hit space so that you don't select pandas as pandas again. That will throw up error. By default it just it selects pandas, so you have to hit space bar and then enter. Alright, now let's say data equals to, now let's use the same example of calories, how much calories we burnt while running about, say, for 50 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hours, whatever, right? It's a classic example of how we can manipulate. We can use any kind of examples for that matter, right? As far as we have the proper data, we can use it as an example. Curly bracket. Alright, now let's come out and let's create our calories. Calories, and then come out of the quote, double quote, colon, and then create the array. Like it looks like an array, right? So say for example 450 comma 500 comma 650. All right, come out of the square bracket and enter, put a comma, and then now you have calories 450, 500, 650. Now you need to define how many hours or minutes you did a solid exercise to burn this calories 450, 500, 600. So let's say duration inside the double quote and a colon, and then open a square bracket, say about 50 minutes, and then say 60 minutes, and then for 650 maybe 70 minutes. Right, I'm just creating this random data, guys. Now let's come out of the entire section, the block of code, and let's say df data frame. Okay, df stands for data frame equals, say, pd dot, now this df you can name it anything, guys, as far as you maintain the same naming conventions. All right, dot data frame, and what is it? It's in data, within the data what you have in the data frame, that is what is your df is called, right? And now let us print df. Let's print df. Now let's run this program and see what happens. Right click, run Python file in terminal. There you go, guys. So we have a 0, 1, 2 and the calories 450, 500, 600, and the duration is 50, 60 and 70. Can you see that? Can you see the magic of Pandas, right? This is how you play around with data. And more we get into this data aspects, I'm telling you guys, it's going to get more and more interesting. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to play around with data frames attributes, right? We will do some, hands-on more exercise. All right guys, do keep practicing, and I'm going to be back soon. Give me a thumbs up. Bye bye.